guys, my name is Anya with WTI. I'm photo and video creator and I want to show you how this background helped me make my photos and videos more professional. I don't need to look for a way to make my content. I just put it together and the mini studio is ready. It consists of 10 stylish backgrounds that are easy to combine with each other because it's really beautiful, different stylish backgrounds. They are not heavy, so it is so easy to use and so easy to transportation. There is a special holder in the kit, and I do not worry during the shooting that something may fall off and I will have to take my frame again. So it's really beautiful backgrounds, and that is my point of view.